Hello. Yeah, I can see I have a new Windows background, which is very nice with some birds. And another good thing is I managed to get my Stripe running. So there's so many good news today. So okay, let's go for the first one. First good news is my second SaaS pattern market, as I call it, or Solite. I think Solite was like the Instagram channel that my wife was running, and pattern market is the website as it is, or like the application as it is. So yeah, I managed to run it, and it was actually me. I mean, it's actually me lying that I managed to do it. It's actually AI who did it, or like it did it. So, and it did it mainly by as a recap, I actually upgraded all the packages in my package.json here, and I was just trying to get AI to get them running. So like the React was like 16.8 or something, and I got it up to 19, and some like everything here got upgraded. So I just like went through it like crazy. And then obviously, as expected, because there were breaking changes, shit just broke up. So I got AI, like it was iterating for like half a day to fix it, and it did. So yeah, so I was actually first I actually used so I was trying like different models, and like the one that got lucky at the end was GPT 5.2 preview. I don't know what's the difference between two. I don't really care. Like they just like do the same shit all the time, and sometimes the one gets lucky. That's what I feel, basically. Or maybe I'm wrong actually, and they have something smarter going on there. But like what they started doing is writing those polyfills that would actually fix some issues. And I don't even remember where it's actually created those polyfills. Polyfill, okay. Frontend source polyfills. Okay, so I have a folder now here. Frontend source polyfills. Where's my folder with polyfills? Here. Okay, so it created two polyfills. So they would actually, okay, this one was checking if there is no node modules. So basically, like if you are not really familiar with polyfills, and I'm not that familiar to be honest, because I actually worked on a project that my colleague wrote a polyfill, and I actually never really dealt with them too much. I would just like find alternative ways to actually fix those problems. And AI did those polyfills for me. So one is actually find the DOM node. So probably there was some breaking change that would actually change this functionality. I don't know how now it's actually implemented. So maybe okay, so I actually have multiple. So I have some stuff here. Okay, that's looking for some nodes. Spróbujemy. My smaller daughter is asking if she can have a present for Christmas. Elsa and Anna Frozen set, so I have to figure it out if it's necessary. It's obviously not, but she doesn't speak English, so she doesn't hear me actually telling you that. So like, yeah, I will not buy her entire set. I will not buy her the entire set. I will just buy like figurines and take her for a trip. I think that's better than buying the entire Frozen set, which costs probably too much. Kochana? Co tu masz na policzku? Yeah. Okay. So like it created those polyfills, and yeah, it's actually working. So, and one polyfill is actually used here, I guess, in Webpack configuration. And the other one, I wonder what's okay. This is important in the Webpack. This is probably not necessary, is it? Okay. And then the other polyfill, let's see where it's actually being used. So this one is finding some node modules for some reason. React DOM. Config resolve alias. I don't know what's it doing, to be honest. So it's a code that is doing shit there. And there is another one React DOM polyfill. What's this one used for? Maybe I can figure out at least one polyfill that AI did for me. React DOM polyfill. Let's see if what's actually importing it. So there is index polyfills, and it's just imported like that. So probably it's just bringing some function that is being added to DOM. Let's see what it's adding. Okay, React DOM. Find React DOM. Okay, if it's not there, poszła na spacer. If it's not there, do all that crazy stuff. For React components, try to access the DOM node. Okay, so it generally it didn't really see the React DOM, and it's being referred in places. Możecie ze mną pójść na spacer. And then some other stuff in development. Yeah, just console. Yeah. So it seems to be working. And the effect, let me just run it. Yarn start. And it got me this Croco, which I never used before. I used Webhook mostly, or Fight. Croco npm, is it? What's Croco? An easy and comprehensive override, an easy and comprehensible. Why there's configuration layer for create React app? Okay, so this is just like some stuff for create React app, which obviously we don't really use. Classic tokens have been removed. Okay, that doesn't matter. So okay, it's fixing something in create React app. So I don't know. It does get the benefits of create React app without eject, adding a single configuration. Okay, that I don't know. I never would eject the app, or maybe I tried ages ago, but didn't really. I couldn't figure it out. Okay, so this is the front end of the website, and this is the main banner, like with something to actually get you to see all patterns or sign up or search for them. And there is nothing here currently, but so I will have to fix that. There are some patterns that are actually so this is where my this is where the carousel is actually here. The carousel I was actually checking the other day, and it's actually using my favorite library from like 5 or 6 years ago, which I don't remember now. So it's Slick. Yeah, it's React Slick. So I used to love that one a lot. So I used to bring it everywhere, and that's why it's here. And then you have some patterns here that you can buy, and that's probably for the blog or some redirect. I don't know why. Some dresses. I don't know why there's this redirect, and there are some testimonials. Let's hope I will get some, and start selling your patterns. Some new message to actually encourage you, and it's not very centered, this one. I don't know why. So yeah, at least it's working, and I'm quite happy with how it looks. I think like we did good design back then, so we should just finish it. So there are some profiles, contact. I'm pretty sure it used to work. So let's see patterns maybe. Oh yeah, I have patterns. See, I have a page for patterns. So it's a list of things. Hard-coded. Kiedy mama wróci? Mama wróci za parę minut. Albo za paręnaście. Okay, so filters, that's nice. See, like, okay, but clicking on the filter redirects you to this image. Or maybe this is because there's no event. Okay, so like there are multiple bugs, I guess. And I will just have to fix them. But I'm happy actually that this website is working. At least in a way, like, you know, some redirects needs to be fixed, and backend, I guess, like, needs to be connected, but quite a lot of things are actually running. So now the next step will be to get the backend running. Okay, so there's some proxy problem. Okay, no problem. So the next step will be to get the backend running, and think like the backend is mainly here, and then like you have some files that connect to Mongo database. Is it? I'll have to learn how it's done, relearn, because I implemented it initially before the AI. And there are some middleware, I guess, and it's using JWT, which is probably good. Order items, get order ID. Okay, so there are some endpoints that probably we are actually creating. So controller is here for creating like a functions for the endpoints. Okay, so this is not really endpoint, but probably we have models, obviously, and there are controllers. Controllers are to... Jestem zajęty, chwileczkę. Controllers are some functions that respond with data, is it? Jestem, Nadika, nagrywam film. And where are the endpoints actually? So we got controllers. Okay, I need to relearn the Node.js a bit and the Express because I didn't use it for a while. It's not that difficult. I remember like I actually managed to, I understood it very quickly. So I think I will just learn, like make a 1 hour video about, Node and Mongo and Express. I will just, watch like an hour video for that. And then I'll just, start working with AI. Stefan, nie dotykaj tego, dobrze? Możesz. Okay, so, yeah, okay. So this is the good news. My Node website is running. And another one, I actually... Dziewczyny, proszę cicho, proszę o ciszę. Jak chcecie się bawić, to proszę wyjść stąd. Jak chcecie krzyczeć. To jest mamy. Mama będzie na ciebie zła, jeśli popsujesz. Nie ja. To nie jest moje. Jak popsujesz, to nie jest moje. Yeah, and the second thing, which I will show you tomorrow, because I've managed to get Stripe rolling. Stripe. And so yeah, I'll show you how it's actually set up, but my kids are actually here behind me, and they complain, and they start fighting and crying. And I have to take care of them because my daughter went... and I have to take care of them because my wife went for a walk. Thank you. Yeah, make sure to subscribe and do all the other stuff. Where's my outro, so I don't have to edit it in. Outro, where are you? No, not here. No. Oh, Plannero, here. No, videos. No. My stuff. Here. Yeah, outro. Yeah, I have an outro. No, not the screen. Okay, good. Outro. Play again. Again. Yay! So that's the outro. Comment, like, share, subscribe. Thank you.